how to buy domain from Hostinger, domain name tutorial. Hey guys, Brian with WP Cupid blog, and today I'm going to be going over how to buy domain from Hostinger step by step. I'll also be providing you with a Hostinger domain discount so you can save money on your Hostinger domain purchase. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do to buy a domain name in Hostinger is click the link in the description below so you can take into Hostinger and so you can take advantage of getting a domain discount. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Hostinger discount. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be on the Hostinger homepage. From here, there is two ways in which you can register a domain name in Hostinger. The first way is to do it by purchasing Hostinger hosting. Some of the plans Hostinger gives you a domain name for free, in which I'll cover. The second way is just to register a domain name in Hostinger with no hosting plan. I'm going to go over both ways. I'll start with the first way and then go into the second way. Click the Start Now button to get to the hosting plans, or scroll down and it'll be the next section on the Hostinger homepage. Both ways take you to the same place. You will see you can save 90% on the single shared hosting plan. This plan is good if you only have one website and are only in need of one email account. This plan is a good plan for most when just starting out. The free domain name discount isn't included with this plan. You will get a domain discount though. Next, you will see you can save 74% on the premium shared hosting plan. This plan is good if you have more than one website, as this supports unlimited websites and email accounts. The free domain name discount is included with this plan if you choose any of the annual terms. If you choose the monthly option, you will get a domain discount, but it won't be free. Next, you will see you can save 75% on the business shared hosting. This plan comes with unlimited websites and daily backups. It also comes with a free domain name for annual plans or a discounted domain price for the monthly option. The next plan you will see is the cloud hosting plan that starts from $745 a month. If you are interested in getting cloud hosting, click on the See All Plans button and it'll take you to the Hostinger cloud hosting plans. The cloud hosting plans are good for sites that want faster speed. Once you choose a plan, click the Add to Cart button. For this video, I'm going to choose the single shared hosting plan. You will now be on the page where you can complete your order. You will see the discounted price based on the hosting plan you chose. The hosting terms range from monthly, 12 months, 24 months, and 48 months. You will notice you will get the greater discount the farther out you purchase hosting for. If you choose the monthly option, you'll need to pay a setup fee. You'll get a domain name discount, and the price depends on the domain extension you go with, for example .com, .net, and so on. Next, let's go over the Hostinger add-ons you can choose if you'd like. You'll see the SSL certificate is free. You'll see secure your website with daily backups. This will back up your site daily, so if something happens to your site, you can use a previous backup from the previous day or before whatever happened, and your site will be back to its normal state. Next, you'll see the Cloudflare add-on. This is security for your website. The Cloudflare network can also speed up your site. Cloudflare does have a free plan where you can use for your site that comes with basic security and things to speed up your site. And if you see the need to upgrade to the Hostinger Cloudflare add-on that comes with more security and speed options, you can do so at a later date. Next, the SEO add-on. This will provide you with some basic reports and statistics and some instructions on what you can do to help the SEO of your site. The next add-on is priority support. This will allow you to go next in line for support instead of waiting in line for help based on the number of people needing support at that time. All these add-ons are completely optional and up to you to get. After the add-on section, you can choose a domain name. If you go with the hosting term of 12 months or more and are on the premium or business shared hosting plan, you will get a free domain name. Type in a domain you want and click search. If you're on the single shared hosting plan or you decide to pay monthly with any of the plans, you'll get a discounted domain name. Once you search for your domain, you'll be brought to this page. Add the domain to your cart. Click the Continue to Cart button. You can choose to select to hide your personal information of your domain. I do recommend this add-on as it'll show Hostinger's default contact information and not have your personal information out to the public, where telemarketers can email and call you nonstop about their marketing services. Completely up to you though. Click the Checkout Now button. You'll now want to enter your name, email, and a password and click the Create Account and Checkout button. You can now choose a payment method to pay with. Proceed to enter in your information for payment based on the way you chose to pay for hosting or hosting. Now let's go over the second way to register a domain name in Hostinger. Click the Domain tab in the top menu. Click on Domain Checker. From here, you can enter a domain name that you wish to register with Hostinger. You can now add the domain to your cart by clicking on the Add to Cart button. Next, click on the Continue to Cart button. You'll see the Hide Personal Information of my domain. You can select or keep this unselected. I highly recommend this Hostinger domain add-on, as this will keep your personal contact information safe, and Hostinger will show their default contact information for this, so you aren't getting lots of calls and emails from telemarketers trying to sell you their services. This privacy domain add-on is completely up to you. Under this, you'll see the Get More Domains. You can type in another domain that you would like to purchase if there's another one and click search. If you don't need another domain name, click the Checkout Now button. Create an account by entering in your first name, last name, and email address. Click Create Account and the Checkout button. You can now choose a payment method to pay with. Proceed to enter in your information for payment based on the way you chose to pay for hosting or hosting. That is all there is to it. That is my Hostinger domain name tutorial on how to buy domain from Hostinger. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more hosting video tutorials. Leave us a comment, we love hearing from you.